Hey friends, sometimes it's hard to find the time. Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel, where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Is it just me, or is January going by way too fast? I felt like with the new year I was gonna have all of this time and energy and I was gonna do all of the things. And this month has gone by in the blink of an eye. I keep wondering to myself, is the entire year going to feel this way? And I think what I've decided is it will if we let it. If we let all of these things overwhelm us and make us feel like we don't have any time to write, it's definitely gonna make us feel bogged down. I think what I'm gonna practice with the next week is waking up a little bit earlier. That is an hour or an hour and a half that I could spend in front of my computer making progress on my story. Whether it's listening to a craft-related podcast while you are doing your laundry or doing your dishes, or reading a fun book before bed about the art of writing, or even some fiction in your genre. Where do you think you could work in a little bit more writing time in your life? Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!